Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, we will discuss about the jobs that I have posted recently. So let's jump into it. So the first job opening is job opening 8204. Intuit companies hiring for senior software engineer at Bangalore location. You can apply to the job using this link. So let me open this job. So if you see, this is the job title. This is the location and you can hit on the apply now button to apply. So if you notice, the job link that I have posted will redirect you to the company website. So there is no spam or no third party websites. So you can apply for the jobs reliably. And next job opening is A203. DISA India company is hiring for senior member tech data engineer at Hyderabad and Gurugram location. You can apply to the job using this link. Next, job opening A202. UBS companies hiring for compliance and operational risk control, market conduct taxonomy role at India. And you can apply to the job using this link. When it say India, it did not provide its specific details, but let's open it and confirm it. You see, it directly mentioned in India, if city is in Mumbai, and you can apply to this job using apply now button, which is shown here. And job opening A201. Takion Car companies hiring for product design service design manager at Bangalore location. You can apply to this job using this link. Czech companies hiring for US direct tax manager role at Jasala, New Delhi location. You can apply to this job using this link. And job open 81NN. UBS companies hiring for infrastructure engineer at India location, probably in Mumbai. You can apply to this job using this link. Careerya job opening 8198. UBS companies hiring for ServiceNow developer at India location. You can apply to this job using this link. Job opening 8197. Tata ELXSI companies hiring for site reliability engineer, DevOps lead at the Bangalore, Chennai, or Trivandrum location. And you can apply to this job using this link. Job number 8196. UBS companies hiring for senior ID test automation engineer at India. You can apply to this job using this link. So basically, guys, I'm posting job for every 5 minutes. So I recommend you to apply for those jobs and take advantage of my effort that I'm putting into color the jobs. And job opening 8195. Intuit companies hiring for software engineering manager 2. You can apply to this job using this link. The job is at a Bangalore location. Job opening 8194. Czech companies hiring for staff application security engineer at Jasala, New Delhi. And you can apply to this job using this link. Careerya job opens 8193. UBS companies hiring for senior Java engineer with Azure data. Location is at India. You can apply to this job using this link. I think this is also probably in Mumbai. And yeah, this is in Pune. Career job opening 8192. Takian Corp companies hiring for staff software engineer position at Bangalore. You can apply to this job. So, Res, you can go through my profile. I would be sharing the link in the description. So you can get almost all the job openings, information. So take advantage of it and apply for the jobs. Do let me know if you need any help and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more job related information videos. Thank you and have a great day.